Gently exhale. And then take a normal inhale and normal breathing. Slowly open your eyes. Release the chin mudra and stand up. We will start in Shashankasana. Knees not too wide, little closer to each other. Stretch your hands out, push your hips back, forehead down. Keep stretching the arms out, elbows straight, keep your chin tucked in. You will inhale, round the back, move forward to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, push back fully to Shashankasana. Go with the breath, control the movement and feel your spine as you are moving. Inhale, chin is tucked in, go forward to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha, to Shashankasana. Inhale, move forward, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, pull your stomach in, tuck the chin back in and push back to Shashankasana. Again, inhale, forward, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, push back all the way, Shashankasana. Again, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, push back to Shashankasana. 5 more rounds. Inhale, move forward, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, push back, Shashankasana. Inhale, move forward, Urdhva Mukha. Be aware of the hips, of the shoulders, of the chest lifting up. And exhale, push back to Shashankasana. Again, 3 more rounds. Inhale, forward, Urdhva Mukha. Press the palms nicely, lift the chest up, tighten the legs. And exhale, push the hips all the way back, Shashankasana. Last 2 rounds. Inhale, forward, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, back, Shashankasana. Last 1 round. Inhale, forward, Urdhva Mukha. And then hold it there. Now tuck your toes in and try to, without lifting the knees, try to tighten the legs, pushing the heels back. Lift your chest up. Try to push your hips down, chest and shoulders open. Observe your back, observe your legs and hips. And exhale, push back all the way to Shashankasana. Stay there, take 2-3 breaths. And slowly inhale, come up on all fours, knees hip distance apart, hands right under the shoulders. From here you are going to inhale, take the right leg straight up, exhale, cross it behind you, outside the left leg and slowly bring it back to where you started and down. Ready? We'll start. Inhale, exhale, inhale and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale and down. Again, inhale, exhale, inhale and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, down. 2 more rounds for you. Inhale, exhale, inhale, down. Last 1 round. Inhale up, straighten the leg, tighten the leg, exhale, take it cross behind you. Inhale, bring it back and down. Now stretch the same leg out. Tighten, point the toes. Now take the opposite left hand straight in front of you. Look at your thumb. Tighten your buttock muscles. Keep straightening the arm and the leg. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release the hand and leg. Now back is in neutral position. Once more, stretch the left leg behind you, point the toes. You're going to inhale, lift up the leg, exhale, take it cross behind you. Inhale, bring it back and down. Ready? Start. Inhale, exhale, inhale and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, down. Inhale, exhale, inhale. 3 more rounds. Inhale, exhale, inhale and down. Last 2. Inhale, exhale, inhale and down. Last one. Inhale, exhale, inhale and down. Now stretch the same left leg out in line with your hip, straight out. Take your right hand, straighten it out in front of you. Look at your thumb. Keep pulling the arm and the leg in opposite directions. Straighten your back, straighten the limbs and pull your stomach in. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. From there, slowly come to tuck your toes in, hands slightly forward, come to Adho Mukha. Press the heels down, push the hips back, chest in. Observe the entire body from the fingertips to the heels. And from here you're going to inhale, take the right leg straight up. On the exhale, right foot outside the right hand, right here. Straighten the left leg and take the right hand up and twist. And then bring it back down and go back to Adho Mukha. Again, left leg straight up, straighten the left leg as much as possible, right leg also. And exhale, bring the left foot outside the left hand, straighten the right leg completely. Inhale, left hand straight up, twisting, and exhale, hand down, push back to Adho Mukha. Again, right leg, inhale, straight up. Exhale, right foot outside the right hand. Inhale, right hand straight up. Tighten the left leg. And exhale, back to Adho Mukha. Make sure you go with the breath, otherwise you will feel too tired. Inhale, left leg straight up. Exhale, left foot outside the left hand. Inhale, left hand straight up. Exhale, back to Adho Mukha. 3 more times on each side. Inhale, right hand straight up. Exhale, right leg outside the right hand. Hold it there. And then twist. Take the arm straight up. Inhale. Exhale, back. Again. Inhale, left leg straight up. Exhale, left foot outside the left hand. Inhale, take the left hand up, twisting. Exhale, back to Adho Mukha. 2 more times each side. Inhale, right leg straight up. Each time push little higher. Exhale, foot outside the hand. Inhale, right hand straight up. Exhale, back to Adho Mukha. Left leg, inhale, straight up to the ceiling. Straighten both the legs. Exhale, left foot outside the left hand. Twisting, take the hand up. And exhale, back to Adho Mukha. Last round. Inhale, right leg straight up to the ceiling. Exhale, right foot outside the right hand. Inhale up and exhale back to Adho Mukha. One more time, left leg straight up. Inhale, push the chest in. Exhale, left foot outside the left hand, straighten the right leg. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, back to Adho Mukha. Knees down, relax for a few seconds in Shashankasana. Knees down and relax in Shashankasana. Forehead down, relax the arms, relax your breathing, relax the shoulders and hips and legs. Take 3-4 more breaths there. And slowly come up. Now let us sit in Vajrasana. Inhale, take both the hands up, interlock the fingers, pulling the elbows up, pulling the arms up, right from the shoulders, sides of the body. Interlock the fingers. Don't look up. Keep your gaze in front. If you want, you can close your eyes. That is optional. And then keep straightening the body and straightening the arms. You're going to hold it for at least 40 seconds. Keep breathing and stay there. Keep pulling the palms up to the ceiling. If you need to use a pillow behind you, feel free. Tighten the elbows and keep lifting up the upper back muscles and shoulders as well. Feel the sides of the body. Relax your hips and lower back. Breathe right through from the hips up to the top of the head. Last 20 seconds. Hold it there. Inhale and exhale. Go with the breath. Don't hold your breath. Last 10. And slowly exhale. Release the hands. Shake the arms out. Relax for a few seconds. Shake your neck out. Now you're going to inhale. Stretch the arms out wide. On the exhale, eagle arms. Right hand on top first. Interlock the forearms. Sitting in Vajrasana. Push the elbows away from you. Straighten the palms. Lift the arms up in front of your face. Feel the pull in the upper back and the shoulders. Straighten your back. Keep sitting in Vajrasana if you can. Now close your eyes. Observe the body. Keep breathing. Follow your breath. And stay in this position for 30 seconds. Keep the arms fully engaged and tight. Keep pushing the elbows away from you and up towards the ceiling in front of your face. Keep breathing as you stay there. Last 15 seconds. And slowly inhale. And as you exhale, release the arms. Other side. Release the shoulders. Once more, inhale. Stretch the arms to the side. And as you exhale, left hand on top. Wrap the arms around each other. Palms touching each other. Almost like a clapping position. Fingers pointing up. Push the elbows away from you and lift it up in front of your face. Keep sitting in Vajrasana. Observe your lower abdomen. Observe your upper back muscles, shoulders, arms, and the chest region as you're breathing. Tighten the arms. Push it forward and up. Stay for 30 seconds with the breath. Don't relax your breath. Don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. Last 10. And slowly inhale, and as you exhale, release the arms and release the legs in front of you. Shake the legs out. Point and flex your toes. Rotate the legs clockwise first, feet, and then anti-clockwise, and shake the knees out. Now coming back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feet close to each other, push the hips back, straighten the legs, straighten the arms, chest moving towards the knees. Take 2-3 breaths. From Adho Mukha Ekapada Prasanasana, right leg in the center, all the way inhale, come forward, look up. And exhale to Uttanasana. Try to press the palms down, drop your head fully, push the hips back and up. From here again, inhale, take the right leg all the way back, Ekapada Prasanasana, and exhale back to Adho Mukha. Press the heels, push the hips back. Again, inhale, take the left foot in the center, Ekapada Prasanasana. Uttanasana. Feet together, straighten the legs, drop your head completely. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Ekapada, push the hips forward, chest open. And exhale back to Adho Mukha. We'll do this 3 more times on each side. Inhale, right foot in the center, Ekapada. Exhale to Uttanasana. Go with the breath, remember, all the time. Use your breath. Then inhale back to right leg back to Ekapada. Exhale back to Adho Mukha. Again, inhale, left foot in the center, Ekapada, Uttanasana. Each move you keep lengthening little bit more, bending forward little bit more, bending backwards little bit more. Inhale, left leg back, Ekapada, and then go back to Adho Mukha. 2 more rounds on each side. Push the hips back, press the heels nicely, tighten the arms and legs in Adho Mukha. Now inhale, right foot in the center, Ekapada, Uttanasana. Again, Ekapada, right leg back, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left foot in the center, Ekapada, Uttanasana. Press the palms beside the feet now. Your back and legs are nicely warmed up. Pull your stomach in. Inhale, left leg back to Ekapada and Adho Mukha. 1 last round. Inhale, right foot in the center, Ekapada, Uttanasana. Bend down little bit more, drop your head little lower, bring it closer to your legs. Inhale, right leg back, Ekapada, Adho Mukha. Again, inhale, left foot in the center, Ekapada, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ekapada, left leg back and Adho Mukha. Now stay in Adho Mukha. Observe your hips, observe your lower abdomen. Push back stronger. And you're going to Inhale and walk the feet forward, keeping the legs straight, taking small steps right in behind your hands. Bend your knees. Bend your knees, drop your chest on your thighs. Press the palms in front of you. Lift your head up, inhale. Press the feet firmly, all the edges of the feet on the ground or the mat. Your chest, abdomen is resting on the thighs. Lift your head up, inhale. Now keeping your chest on your thighs, keeping the knees bent, exhale. Try to drop your head as low as you can. Bring it close to your knees. Feel your stomach resting on the thighs. Keep pushing the head down and bringing your forehead closer to your shin. Observe your lower abdomen. Observe the legs, knees are slightly bent. Keep breathing. You'll have a little difficulty in breathing, but keep pulling your lower abdomen in. Create more space for the breath to go out and in. Stay for last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay in the same position. From here, take your hands just below the knees on your shin and inhale, straighten the legs, straighten the arms, push the hips back, flatten your back completely, shoulders pushed back, head moving forward, Ardha Uttanasana, supporting your hands below the knees, tighten the legs completely, flatten the back, tabletop flat, push the head forward, pull your lower abdomen in, observe the soles of the feet, press your toes, keep breathing, keep opening up your shoulders and pushing it back, flatten your back and stay there for at least 10 breaths. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, relax the lower back, relax the back of the knees. And from there, slowly release your hands, inhale, come up, legs tight, and again exhale, go back to Uttanasana. This time, hold your big toes, Angushtasana, Pada Angushtasana. With the first 3 fingers, bend your knees. Once more, resting your abdomen on your thighs, straighten the arm, knees bent, lift your head up, look in front. You're holding the big toes. Inhale and on the exhale, straighten the legs, bend your elbows, pulling on the toes, pull your upper body down towards the mat, straighten the legs completely. Back is parallel to your legs, spine is perpendicular to the ground. Push your forehead closer to your knees, top of the head moving down, weight shifted slightly forward, and keep breathing and stay there. Try to not move your body away from the thighs, resting your abdomen still on the thighs. Hold it for another 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly once more release the hands, bend your knees slightly. Inhale, come up fully, straighten the body, fingertips up to the ceiling. And again, bend your knees, exhale, forward to Uttanasana and Pada Angushtasana. Prakara 2, lift your feet up, take your palms under your feet, press your toes on your wrist. Knees bent, abdomen resting on your thighs. Once more, straighten your arms, Lift your head up, inhale. As you exhale, press your feet nicely on the palms. Straighten the legs, bend your elbows and pull your head towards the lower legs or the shin. Pull your stomach in, shifting your weight forward onto your palms. Keep trying to straighten the spine, straighten the legs. Pull your stomach in, keep breathing and stay there for another 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Once more, stretch your hands out. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release the hands from the side. Hands beside your thighs. Keep your eyes closed. Roll your shoulders back, straighten your back. Just observe your breath, scan your body. Feel the sensations in your legs or hips. Observe the state of your mind. Observe your breathing. And slowly inhale, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Let us go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feet close to each other, straighten the hands and legs, push the hips back. Now you're going to inhale and step the right foot halfway between the hands and the legs. Right foot in the center. Just here. Keep your hands right there. All you have to do is lift your head up, inhale, and on the exhale, try to drop your head as close to the right leg. Straighten the right leg and lift the left leg up, bending your elbows. Push your body towards the right leg, lift your left leg up, almost going into a vertical split. Keep straightening the left leg and hold it. Hold it. Keep straightening the left leg, bending forward. Shift your weight forward. Take the leg straight up. Straighten the left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop the left leg back. Take the right leg back and go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Relax your body here, relax your breath here, press the feet properly, push the hips back and up, straighten the spine. Again, you're going to lift your head up, inhale and bring the left foot halfway between the hands and the legs. Left foot halfway, keep your hands right there. Keeping your head up, once more inhale. On the exhale, bend your elbows, straighten both the legs, pushing your weight forward. Chest moving towards your shin. Try to lift up the right leg as much as possible. Straighten the right leg. Trying to drop the head towards the ground and towards the left leg. Keep straightening the right leg and hold it there. Observe your lower abdomen. Pull it in. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop the right leg. Take the left leg back to Adho Mukha. Knees down. Relaxing Shashankasana for a few seconds. Completely relax the arms. Relax your breath. Relax your body. Slow down your breathing. Bring it to normal. Keep breathing, stay there. And when they are ready, once more come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press the heels nicely, straighten the arms and legs, push the hips back. Now you're going to inhale, lift your head up. On the exhale, drop your elbows down, right under the shoulders. You can interlock your fingers. Elbows just shoulder distance. Keep your head up. You're going to walk your feet one step closer. Keep the head up, keep the hips up, back fully extended. From here, all you have to do is inhale, lift the right leg straight up. Lift the right leg, your weight is on the elbows, on the forearms. Pushing the head forward and looking up over the wrist. Keep the right leg straight up and keep pulling from the hip. Hold it there. Observe your breath. Observe your legs. Straighten both the legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the leg down. Sit back in Shashankasana one more time. Slow down your breathing. Relax your legs and arms. And come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, press the heels nicely, push the hips back. Inhale, look up. On the exhale, drop your elbows down. Elbow shoulder distance, interlock your fingers. Walk your feet one step forward. Keep your head lifted up. Hips pushing back. This time inhale. Pushing the hips back. Keeping the head up. Lift the left leg straight up. Straighten the right leg. Keep lifting up the left leg. This is a back bend. So head up. Lifting the leg up right from the hip. Keep breathing. Observe your lower abdomen. And stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly get the leg down. Relax one more time in Shashankasana. Hips back, elbows down, forehead down. Completely relax in Shashankasana. Go back to Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, inhale, right foot in the center. Veerabhadrasana, Prakara 2, Warrior 2. Straighten the arms out, bend the right knee, tighten the left leg. Back leg straighten completely and hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, lengthen the arms a little bit more and go to Parshva Konasana. Hold your ankle, push the hip down, left hand over the ear, look at your left fingers and hold it there. From here, come back to Adho Mukha. And same, whichever leg you took forward, that is the right leg. Inhale, come to Dvipada. And turn to your left, weight on the right hand, on the right leg, coming to side plank. Push the hips forward. Take the left hand up. Push strongly with the right arm. If you can, lift your left leg up like Vrikshasana. Keep it on top of your right leg. Push the hip up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back to Adho Mukha. Feet closer to each other. Inhale, left foot in the center, Ekapada. But instead of Ekapada, go to Veerabhadra Prakara 2. Tighten the back leg, bend the front knee, open up the arms and chest. Look in front, keep breathing. Keep tightening the back leg, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, Deep inhale, long inhale. On the exhale, hold your ankle, Parshva Konasana. Push the right hip back, tighten the right leg. Left hand over the ear. Straighten the left arm, straighten the right leg. Keep breathing. And slowly go back to Adho Mukha. From Adho Mukha, come to Dvipada. And this time turn to your right side. Weight on the left hand and left foot. And if you're stable, take your right leg on top of the left. Right hand up, push the hip forward, head back. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back to Adho Mukha. Drop your knees down. Once more sit back in Shashankasana. Completely relax in Shashankasana. Inhale, come up back to Adho Mukha. Right foot in the center. Prasarita Padottanasana. Turn the feet inward, toes inwards, heels out. Turning to your left side, hands in line with your toes. Press the legs and feet tightly. Straighten the legs. Inhale, lift your head up. On the exhale, pull the top of your head to the ground. Try to take the head in line with the feet as much as possible. Elbows bent, palms on the ground. Tighten your legs. Push the hips back and up. Observe your breathing. Close your eyes. Stay for another 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back to Ekapada. Take both your legs in front. Both legs in front. From here, back straight. Inhale to Navasana. Legs up, back straight. Straighten the arms, hold it. Navasana to Halasana. Halasana to Paschimottanasana. Again Navasana. Halasana. Paschimottanasana. 2 more rounds. Navasana, Halasana, Paschimottanasana. Last round, Navasana, Halasana, Paschimottanasana. Stay in Paschimottanasana, relax your breath, straighten your back, push your hips back, stomach in, keep breathing, stay there. Now from here, slowly hold your big toes, bend your knees slightly, bring it closer to you, inhale and come to Upavishta Konasana in this position, taking the legs up, opening out the legs, back straight, open your chest, keep your back straight, arms lengthen, legs tighten, observe your lower abdomen, pull it in, stay for 3 more breaths, and 1. Slowly release the legs, straighten the legs up. And from here we'll do Ardha Matsyendrasana. Take the left leg under you, right leg in front. Inhale, take the left hand outside the right knee, right hand behind you, hold your ankle and twist, pull your stomach out, twist completely to the right side. Keep your back straight, shoulders down, look over the right shoulder. Inhale, lengthen the spine and exhale, twist completely to the right. Stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly inhale, come back to center, stretch the legs out, change the leg, take the right leg under you, left leg in front of the right knee or wherever it's comfortable. Inhale, take the left hand behind you, right hand outside the left elbow, pull your stomach out, hold the ankle and twisting to the back, look over your left shoulder, straighten the spine, pull your stomach out as much as possible. Inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, twisting back, press the inner edge of the left foot, look over the left shoulder, keep straightening the back, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release. Straighten the legs, shake the legs out. Lie down on your back with the legs in Baddha Konasana, feet together. Inhale, stretch the hands behind your head, outer edge of the feet press together, open your knees out, keep your chin down, tighten the arms, observe your back, observe the hips and knees and the feet, heels press together. Now stay here for 30 seconds at least. As you inhale, press the feet together. As you exhale, relax the hips and open the knees up. Keep tightening the arms. Last 20 seconds. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath anywhere, you may get a catch. Visualize breathing out from the hips to relax the hips as well. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Keep your hands extended back. Inhale, bring your knees together, bend your knees up and straighten the legs up, not 90 degrees, slightly away from you, feet together, tighten the legs, Viparita Karani, tuck your chin in, arms behind your head, observe your abdomen and lower back, don't arch your back too much, try to keep your lower back on the mat, tighten the legs. Keep breathing and stay here as well for another 30 seconds. Observe your legs, observe the hips, abdomen, back, arms and breath. Last 20. Inhale and as you exhale, bend your knees in Pavanamuktasana. Hold your hands around the knees. If you can hold your elbows or your wrist, go ahead. Hug your knees in. Keep your chin down. Relax your body, relax your breath, relax the hips. Now inhale, and as you exhale, drop both knees to the right side. Turn your head completely to the left. Observe your breath, observe the back. Pull the knees to the ground, hold it there. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop your knees to the left side. Make sure your right shoulder is on the ground. Turn your head completely to the right. Stay there. Observe your breath. Slowly come back to center. Inhale as you drop your feet down, stretch your legs out. Exhale, relax there for a few seconds. Slowly bend your knees, turn to the right, come up for pranayama. Sit in any comfortable position with your back straight, eyes remain closed, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Pranasedam Vashe Sarvam Tritiveya Pratishtitam Mateva Putran Rakshasva Shriksha Pradyangsha Videhinaiti. Chin Mudra. Keep your eyes closed, back straight. Bring your breathing to normal. We start with 5 Om chants. Eyes remain closed. Inhale. Continue on your own, 4 more rounds. Last round. Slowly exhale, slowly stop. Feel the vibrations. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Anunasika Mudra. Keep the back straight. Close your right nostril gently. Don't press too hard. Inhale through left, 2, 3, 4. Open the right. Exhale through right, 2, 3, 4, 5. open the left, exhale through left, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue on your own for 2 more minutes. Soft inhale, soft exhale. Exhale slightly longer than the inhale. Keeping the back straight.